What is going on, everybody? Car Guy V8 here. And a couple of weeks ago, I came across a full set of seats for a Trans Am, and I love the 4th Gen F-Body interiors. And as you can see, these rear seats look great, which of course we won't be able to use them in the Cutlass, but we're going to use the front seats, which is actually really easy to do. If you have a factory bucket seat Gbody or A-body, all you have to do is take off the tracks off of your bucket seats and put them on the Trans Am seats, and you'll be able to just throw the seat in just like it's a factory Gbody seat. Now, if you have a bench seat, it doesn't work quite that way, but we're going to flip this over, and I'm going to show you how to do the driver's seat real quick. I just so happen to have a hot battery here, so what I'm going to do is take the positive and negative and jumper them to the 12-volt battery, and I hate doing stuff like this, and I really hope these motors work, because if not, we could be in for a lot of fun. I didn't realize, I guess I'm going to have to go up under to get the screws out. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, wait. There we go. Perfect. Easily accessible now. Let me unplug this before something bad happens. All right, here are the Gbody bucket seat brackets. I've done a little bit of wire brushing and a lot of lubricating. These are sitting outside, and man, they are very stiff. I mean, the brackets will work perfect, but moving your seat forward and backwards might be a chore. I'm just... Now I think it's time to do some serious lubrication to this thing, man. Also, since the bottom of this one is just foam, I won't be able to mount the spring. I don't think this will be sturdy enough. Look, it's kind of flimsy. If I stretch it all the way down there and the seat's all the way forwards, I think that's going to mess up this. I don't know. Maybe I could connect it to that spring there. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm probably not going to mess with that today just to get these seats in. All right, I think this is about as smooth as I can get it right here. That took a lot of banging it back and forth with a bunch of lubrication. I'm going to try to clean some of it because I'd hate for that to go down in my floor. So the final piece of the puzzle just came in. Some custom Cutlass floor mats. These are going to look really good in there, I betcha. Let's throw that in the passenger side. Oh yes, that looks great. So here we have the finished result. 2 4th gen F-body seats in a 79 Cutlass. As you can see, it's actually quite easy. And I've just been itching to sit in these seats. Woo, I love 4th gen F-body seats. I'm thrilled I could put them in here. I'm actually taking off my shoes because these are filthy. And I do not want to get my new floor mat filthy. So here we are sitting in it. Still an unfinished car, but it is getting close. So here I am sitting in the car. It's crazy that I've had this car so long and have not sat in it yet. So this is great. Love these seats. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully I helped somebody.